Hello from Suite 530 at Ciragan Palace, Kempinski in Istanbul. This is a view I know so well and love so much. Looking at the bridge across to Asia, but the suite is just exquisite. It's got a sculpted floor that seems to make marks on it, and it's rather charming. It makes the mark of who has been stepping on the carpet. And it's very Turkish actually, with some heavy woodwork, but not too much, and lovely light walls. And I'm looking around to see what I've got, other than enough to feed a whole army, or at least a football team. And I've got a desk over there with traditional prints on the wall. There's a half bathroom, by the way, back at the main door. And here we've got a cabinet with some serious books. If I had time, I would be reading them. And this must be the mini bar under here. Yes, there it is. And coffee, serious coffee. When there are Central Europeans in charge, you can be sure that there's going to be plenty of coffee around. And oh, I shall just be looking out of my two windows continually. Can't be continuously, I've got too much to do. But it's just enchanting. There's so much to look at. And my little wheelie's got its little bag. It won't stay there. I've got masses of dressing space. And let's have a look at the bathroom. Beautiful tiles. An amazing, deep, liver red marble around the wash basin, Aqua de Parma toiletries, and a sensible tub with a lovely rail to be able to get out, and two shower heads. You do have to climb into the tub to get to the shower, which I haven't had for some time, but it's a low tub side, which is a great advantage as far as that's concerned. And the final touch in this room, in this hotel, they've got waiting for me a special safety high-vis jacket and a hat with my name on it, Mary Gostelow, Chief Consultant, because I'm going on a hard hat tour of the renovations.